If you want to know how to send thread via direct message on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky and just go ahead and click on this thread, for example. As you can see, this is a thread, and if I want to share that thread, I could just go ahead and click the share button next to the heart icon, right? And as you can see, I'm gonna be able to share the link, right, outside of the platform. But if you don't want to and you want to share it like in a direct message on Bluesky, go ahead and copy the link for that post and then go to your DMs or messages at the bottom middle right here, and then basically just go and start the conversation with someone and then paste the link that you just copied, and that person will have access to that tweet, or sorry, the Bluesky post. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.